Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate employee onboarding for HR departments via WhatsApp. For example, you are the HR of any company and you got many job applications at once. Onboarding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate employee onboarding via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. So here at first I am sending one template message for my user. For that I am going in this inbox setting where I am going to send one template message. Here I am sending the template message that I already created before by the name of job applicants. That is this message. After that I am going to click on the send button. Here you can see the template is sent successfully. After that you can see I have received the template from this company, that is welcome to JetKing, ready to start your onboarding, including two options, that is start onboarding and learn more about us. Let's say I select this start onboarding. Then you can see the bot will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. After that you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that what is your job title or department. So here I am sharing my job title as software developer. Then you can see the bot will ask me to upload the resume or the ID proof for the verification. So here I am uploading one test resume. Here I sent. As soon as I send this test resume, you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to the team. Please review the following documents, including two quick buttons, that is employee handbook and company policy. Let's say I select this, that is employee handbook. Then you can see the bot will ask me to choose the training session, including one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me two options, that is company culture and technical training. Let's say I select this, company culture. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that is thank you user for your request. Your session will be done with company culture. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given as test user and also mention the company that I have selected from the list. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will do employee onboarding via WhatsApp, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you one quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. It is the best place to learn and grow together. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing the similar problem just like you or the Pabbly team members will help you out. You can also get the updates from here. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chat. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll click on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. It will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or WhatsApp integration, while the next is the Manual Token Connect, in where you have to provide the access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. If you want a detailed video of how to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. On that video, you will get the explanation of both of these steps. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders, while in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the one is the inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can create and manage all of your static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. With the help of this, you can create a multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses without requiring any coding or programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate employee onboarding via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contacts birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of template, so I am going with this template selected option. See, now it will ask me to choose the template. For that, I am clicking on it. Here I am selecting the template that I already created before by the name of job applicants. So I am selecting it. That is this. Now I'll show you where you can create this template. For that, you have to go in this template option and go in this template list. So this is right over here is the amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is templates, where you can create and manage multiple types of templates for your different type of users. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. As we are creating a new template, so I am clicking on this plus add template button. So this is right over here is the starting point of creating a template, in where at first you have to select the template category, that I select as marketing. After that, you have to provide the template name, that I'll provide as job applicants. After that, you have to select the language. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of languages. Here I am selecting the language as English. Here I selected. After that, you have to select the template type. It will provide you different types, that is text, image, video, documents, etc. Now the next one is the header. If you want to write it, you can write. It is an optional, so I am not writing it. After that, you have to write the template format, that I am going to write as. Here I write, that is welcome to JetKing, ready to start your onboarding. You can see I'll write this an asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to the WhatsApp account of my user in the bold format, like this. Now in the next, you have to write the footer. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Then you have to set the interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. So here I am going with quick replies. Here I am entering 2 quick replies. Start onboarding and learn more about us. After the creation of your template, here on the right hand side, you can see the example of your template that were delivered to your users. After that, you have to click on the submit button. As soon as you will click the submit button, then automatically after 2 or 3 minutes, your template will be approved. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I selected the template. After that, now let's say my user will select this, that is start onboarding. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this action option and take button as ask question. I'll drag this box here. Here it will provide me one enter message box where I am writing my question as what's your full name for the records. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. Now I'll show you where you can create this field. For that, you have to click on the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is right over here is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, phone number, country, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option that is add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to provide the name to your field as well as their description. Here I already created one field by the name of full name, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I selected the field. After that, the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this if you want to. After that, you can also write any validation message in this enter validation message box. After that, I am connecting the circle which are present in front of start onboarding to this message, because whenever my user will click on this start onboarding button, then automatically my bot will ask them about their full name. After that, my bot will ask them about their job type. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message as what is your job title or department. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as job type. After that, the format I'll select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I'm not writing any validation message. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name as well as the job type, then my bot will ask them about their resume. For that, I'm taking this button, ask media button, drag this box here where I am writing my message as please upload your ID proof or resume for verification. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as resume. After that, the format I'll select as document. Then the number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I am not writing any message. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now after this step, my bot will respond to my user. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is welcome to the team, please review the following documents. Now I am giving them two quick buttons. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am adding two buttons, employee handbook and company policy. Now let's say my user will select this employee handbook, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank and I am directly writing the body. Here I write that is please choose your training session. After that, I want to add two training sessions. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box where I am going to write the section title as training session. After that, I want to add the session. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first session name as company culture, and the same I am adding one more session, technical training. Here I write after that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of employee handbook to this message where it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after this step, when my user will select any of these training session, then at last my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am setting one custom field here. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. I drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as session type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is company culture. Here I write after that, for this also I am going to do the same, that is again taking one set custom field button, drag this box here, selecting the contact custom field as session type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this. Here I set it to contact custom field for both of these, but you have to change the value with the help of this. Whenever your user will click on this company culture button, then at last your bot will respond to them by mentioning their session name as company culture, or either they will click on this technical training option, then your bot will respond to them by mentioning the session type as technical training. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this. Here it is connected. Now after this step, at last my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I am going to write my last message as Thank you with dollar symbol full name for your request. You can see I use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my user by their name. Here I use this contact custom field because with the help of this, your bot will automatically take the response of your users and give them the customized message in this place based on the user selection. After that, I am connecting this circle also to this message because the response would be the same. Now, when my user wants to know about the company policy, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, where I am going to write the company policy. Here I write all the company policy. Button in my template message just learn more about us. So if my user will click on it, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one box where I am going to write more details about this company. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate employee onboarding on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically make the conversation with your employees like this. It will work 24/7 without any manual effort, and the best part is this WhatsApp automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.